In this video, I'll show you simple location where you can find rare and hidden cars in GTA 4. The first location, press the escape key and I'm going to show you guys right here, this place. You will find this car and the second location we are in the car showroom. I'm going to show you. Exact location is here near to the dress shop right here. Get into the shop. If you can't, then use the weapon. Choose the car you like. You probably seen lots of car down here, but you missed this cars. And the third location, as you can see, auto Eurotric car. Show you the location. Here it is. Let's mark the location, and once you in this location, you can choose the car you like. To get the bikes, just need to come to this location, exactly near to the burger shop. Marks here. Using the right click, see this bike showroom. Choose the bike you like. This location you will find two cars exactly near to your car wash right here. This is the first car, and this is the second car. To ride a helicopter, navigate to this spot right over here, heli tour. Once you are in this location, you can drive this helicopter. And this is the final thing I want to show you guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.